Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to crypto updates. This is Jaru and I'm here to give you the daily cipher morse code for 13 June 2024 for the hamster Kombat project. So the word for today is 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌. It's 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌. So the G is dash dash dot. So a single tap for a dot and then tap and hold for a dash. If you tap and hold for a while and then you release, it will be a dash. And then a single tap will be a dot. So let's go to the next one, which is A. The A is dot dash. And then the M is dash dash. And then the E is a